What is a gear? A gear is a machine element that is used to transmit torque between machine components. Along with a gear's main purpose of transferring motion and power, a gear also provides the functions of reducing speed and changing the direction of rotating shafts. Gears have a distinct design. Around the outside of a circular-shaped base, teeth are cut out and equally spaced apart from one another. With these crown tooth elements, a gear will mesh their teeth with the teeth of an adjacent gear, and the two will turn together. Though all gears will consist of tooth elements, there are specific design characteristics that separate gears into types. A few types of gears are spur gears, helical gears, rack and pinion gears, bevel gears, miter gears, and worm gears. The design characteristics that separate these types are shape, shaft position, and tooth design. For example, a spur gear and a helical gear are both designed for a parallel axis. But what separates them is a spur gear's tooth elements are straight, while a helical gear's tooth elements are cut at an angle around the gear body. It's the little design constructions like this that will separate gears into types. Gears can be found in several industries assisting multiple machine types. Some of these machine types are packaging machines, industrial robots, food processing, material handling, welding machines, agricultural machines, and many others. Gears provide efficient control of speed, torque, and direction of a power source. If you like this information on gears, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!